All right, folks, welcome back. Well, we weren't gonna work on Zach's cabin today, but unfortunately we got like 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts going on right now, so we got up there with some of that OSB. We'd be going parasailing or something. So anywho, we're gonna do some work on the truck real quick here. We're gonna put the winch on the front. That way we can do some stuff for the cabin, and hopefully we'll get that cabin moved real soon. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit all them fancy buttons and all that whatnot. To all you new guys who showed up here recently, thank you so much for joining us, and hopefully we keep on expanding from there. So anyway, let's get to work. All right, well, for right now, we're just gonna be putting it on the front bumper, the regular one, until I build a new, stronger bumper for the front, just because we need it today and it's faster than any other option. So anyway, we'll make use of it in the meantime. Good news is we got some nice marks here thanks to the license plate. That way we can square off of this to make our marks for the holes. It'll be nice and easy on the measuring. So anyway, here we go. Well, I had to retire my Milwaukee drill the other day after 7 years of faithful service. You know, can't say enough about those tools. Really hope they give me a sponsorship one of these days. But 7 years that thing held up to working in train yards, boat yards here in Alaska. Anything you can think of that I threw at it. Left it on top of a train and it froze solid to it one time. Still fired right up. But hey, 7 years, what can I say? Anyway, you'll see me using a brand new drill today. So first new Milwaukee tool I've had to buy in quite a while. All right, guys, here we go. Down just to try to get there. We can just
pick it up a little bit?
Yeah, just terminal and yellow terminal. All right, there we go, guys. Well, almost looks like it belongs there. You know, I know these ain't the right clamps, but I didn't have any metal ones long enough. there we go. We're gonna full weld it up later on, and I'm gonna add a couple of little wings that are gonna go around the corners to protect them just a tiny bit. Even though it's unfortunately a tiny bit too late for that as well, as I backed into a tree earlier today. But oh well, it is what it is. That's what the truck's for. Hey guys, thanks for coming by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit all those fancy buttons, because it doesn't cost you a dime, but it sure helps me out.